Chris, you will open this gift from
Oh, I'm taking pictures.
oh, okay. This is the people who share for this.
Where am I?
Thank you so much, everybody. I don't know if I'm taking pictures.
You open the gift, but that's not gift. Yeah.
You open the gift.
There are more surprises. Yeah. MC. Go,
Maybe I take pictures of it.
Yun. Ako mabasa ko.
You about to hit me how many you got to delete? Sorry. Oh, shit, nigga, somebody. No time for something like that.
Wow! Kita. Please.
Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it.
Ito muna. Please, this is from your loved ones. Yeah. Wait, I will read this out. Chris, happy birthday. I am wonderful people. We cannot believe the great success that you have achieved in the last few years. We are so proud of you and wish that we could be there with you to celebrate your birthday today. We love you very much and look forward to watching you realizing your dreams. We are so proud of the man you have become. You have a wonderful heart, you inspire others to do the right thing. You have an amazing birthday and keep shooting for the stars. Love, Mom, Pops, and Gino. Little hug.
Oh. Speech. Pretty.
Thank you for everything. I'm so happy to be associated with y'all. Proud to make y'all happy and continue to support us throughout the rest of the season.